Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Welcome back to Cast Iron Wednesday. I'm making a pot roast tonight, which I have actually never made before. I love pot roast, you know, meat's delicious. But I've never gotten around to doing a pot roast, so I've got this big guy here I bought from Winco. It's, what's this thing weigh? 2.6 pounds. So I got the Dutch oven on. I'm gonna be heating it up in the Dutch oven. I mean, I put color on it in the Dutch oven, and we're gonna put it in the oven and bake it at 300 for a good couple hours. So let's get to it. Okay, that's some olive oil. And then season. All right. Pull this out completely. And I was watching Chef John at foodwishes.com. This is how he did it, so I'm going to do the same. A little flour. Not a lot. And then I think I needed more fat. Alright, well, we get a thick roux, and then we're going to add a bunch of whole bunch of beef stock. I just want to break up this flour. I guess I don't need a whisk. So, entire container of, and put that right back in the water. All right. What I'm gonna do is put this whole thing into a 300-degree oven. For many hours. I'll be checking back in. Alright, it's been about hour and a half. It's nowhere near being done. I just want to check on it. Plus I forgot something. Add some garlic here. To put in there. Yes, it's gonna be a while longer, but let me get that garlic in there. Let's get back in the oven. Alright, so it's been about 3.5 hours. go ahead and saw the videos. Oh, it's close. Perfect. I'm gonna add an entire bowl of potato and carrot. So this will be in for another hour. Well, I got a little heavy-handed on the vegetables, but that's alright. Let's get this back in the oven. Alright, so I've got green beans in my new steamer. It looks just like the old one, because if you didn't see the video, I got a new steamer. But I bought the exact same one I had before, because it lasted me 30 years and I just loved it. So I've got beans going. I'm going to steam them first. I'm going to be doing mushroom gravy in this pan, because it came out so good last time. And then I'm going to be cooking up this bacon. I'm using a little support cookware because I'm going to cook up this bacon, add the green beans to it, and then add some seasonings and then do it up. So that'll be that. Potatoes and carrots, I'll have
Alright, so I made a bit of a mistake, and I forgot to zoom out, but I was supposed to buy fresh thyme to put in the water, to put in the stock when I was cooking the pot roast. So I was going to buy fresh, just tie it together with some twine. I think I had some someplace. Throw it in there while it cooked. Forgot. So while I got dried thyme, I'll just add some of that to the stock. That should do good, and I forgot to put that in there too. So huge dough for me. Yeah, I can't believe I did that. So we'll see how it tastes. It should be fine, but I'm gonna have a bunch of other stuff going with it. So I know, shameful on my part. Bad mark. Cardinal, it's a sin to forget on YouTube. These mushrooms in here. I'm going to do that gravy again, like I did for the Salisbury steak. Because I really liked it. A little paprika. Alright, if you saw my Salisbury steak video, I'm going to basically do this literally the same way. If you didn't see the video, it's just basically add a little bacon fat. Add a little bit of flour. Mix the flour with your fat. Then glug in a whole bunch of, so add some stock, but use the juice from that stock to pick up any of that goodness at the bottom. Made a bit of a liar out of myself because I said this wine would probably last probably last me a year, and yeah,
I ended up making the spaghetti meatballs, which I owe you a video, so I'm still gonna do. But yeah, I didn't drink any of it, I just used it in the sauce. So, got some garlic here. Let's throw it all in there. Screw it. Get that all nice and aromatic. Cook right in bacon grease. Add my green beans. A little sloppy moment of these. And I also want to add some Dijon mustard. I saw these made online, but I didn't get the complete recipe. So I'm just sort of making a mess and winging it. So here's how the beans looked. Pretty happy with those. I'm gonna get that pot roast out of the oven, because I don't even know if the vegetables are done yet. It's been an hour though. It's been an hour. So got a little weight on it. I'll tell you what. So, lid. Where to put the lid? I think those potatoes are done. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, veggies are cooked fully. I need to get out that front burner though, because that burner is going pretty hard. So let's push it back. There we go. Alright, one last thing I want to do with these beans is we got a wedge here of Romano cheese, and I just want to grate some of that right over the top. I need to check the meat, see if the meat's pokes clear through. And it feels like it does. I think we're gravy. Alright, here's how she's looking. Green beans, pot roast, and then I got the carrots and potatoes with the mushroom gravy. And let's taste it. Man, you know what I was thinking I really wish I had right now? Like a nice warm dinner roll. Just lathered in butter. Yeah, but anyway, let's try the meat. Oh man, it's just falling apart. Mmm. Hell yeah. Damn, that's good. I was wondering how it tastes without the thyme and the other thing, but it tastes phenomenal. Gotta try the beans. You know what, the Dijon mustard? It's really good. Dijon mustard, garlic, bacon. Yeah, potato here. Yeah, really good. So yeah, that's fantastic. I'm enjoying all the flavors. You know, next time if I do this again, I'm probably gonna do make sure I get the right ingredients, like the thyme and stuff. But it tastes great. Every component I'm enjoying. The beans, that little crispy bacon, the fresh garlic. The pot roast is really quite good. So anyway, I'm gonna put the playlist link for Cast Iron Wednesday in the description. It'll also be on the end. Any questions about how I made this, let me know. Just ask away. Have a go, and we'll catch you later.